there is a saying that wherever you go, there'll be some people to help you out. We didn't have change to, top up our MRT card. There was one Indian and he was speaking Tamil to us, and I went to him to ask change, but then even he didn't have change. He just gave us a $2 and he said, go and use the $2 and top up your card. It was sweet of him. Correct, la?
Very sweet. We are at Novena station.
Today is our last day at Singapore, and I guess we covered quite a lot of things. We didn't miss a lot. We covered everything. Before we leave to the airport, we wanted to go to the most iconic place in Singapore. We didn't want to miss a picture or a video of that place, so we have come here and show you guys what it is.
While we were walking, we came across this particular spot. It is a very famous bridge which is a part of the racetrack. Yes, I was standing on the racetrack and it felt so good. Only after that, I came to know that the public is allowed to walk on the racetrack at any time except the race weekend. That was cool,
Stepped onto the F1 track.
Travelers acquainted with Singapore will probably already know of the city's national icon, the mythical Merlion, which possess the body of a fish and the head of a lion. One of the most depositions on this iconic symbol is the statue found at Merlion Park.
This is the Merlion Park, one of the famous iconics of Singapore. If you don't get a picture here, then there's no point you coming so far. Happy?
Super happy. Wonderful people. I think we had a lot of fun.
I have a friend very nearby, so just gonna say goodbye to him, meet him, and then take the MRT, go back to our hotel, pick up our bags and head to the airport. Every nook and corner of this place you will find a pub, and drinking beer is like drinking water here. People, I'm not sure even if they drink water, but they drink a lot of beer. Most of the labor workers here are from India, and especially from Tamil Nadu. You can find Tamil people everywhere here, and each and every station, each and every place you go, you will find the Tamil writings in the government hoardings. For a person like me from Tamil Nadu, it's kind of fascinating and kind of being proud also. I mean, coming to a foreign country and seeing your language written on their hoardings and boards, it's a great thing to witness. Seri mapla.
Okay, macha. Cool.
Seri macha.
Okay, bye bye. See you.
Until next time. Want to go?
Bye.
Nice guy. He helped us out with a lot of places. He took us to the level 33 and the boat key. Boat key was the best time. We didn't know anything about boat key or class key. He was the one. He took us to all the places, and we were drinking from 12 in the night until morning 6:30 a.m. And that was a great experience. If you haven't watched that video, I'll link it up. Do watch. Job well done.
And finally, it is about time to catch our cab for the airport. Changi Airport is one of the most renowned and busiest airports in the world. The airport has won numerous awards on its outstanding service and facilities, including the world's best airport title for 10 consecutive years from 2013 to 2022. This airport is a remarkable example of world-class infrastructure and outstanding service. Its dedication to providing a seamless and enjoyable travel experience has earned it a reputation as one of the best airports in the world. And one of the main attractions is the Jewel.
Wherever we go, there is one Tamil guy to help us out always. Everywhere in Singapore.
A 10-story high building that houses a wide range of facilities, including retail stores, dining options, a hotel, and various entertainment attractions. This is so special because it has the world's tallest indoor waterfall, standing at 40 meters tall. Visitors can enjoy a breathtaking view of the waterfall from various vantage points throughout the building, including the canopy bridge, a walkway suspended 23 meters above the ground level. The Jewel also boasts an impressive array of shopping options with over 280 retail stores, offering a wide range of products from luxury fashion brands to local made souvenirs. The dining options at the Jewel are equally diverse, with over 100 food and beverage outlets offering a variety of cuisines to suit all tastes.
This is all we've ordered from Shake Shack. Looks yummy. Let's see. And we gotta eat fast and gotta run for our flight.
We were doing some essential purchases, and lost track of the time. Our flight was at 8:15. Exactly at 8:10 when I saw my watch, that's the point we realized that our boarding point was like way far from wherever we were at that exact spot. We had to take a train and then go to a different station, and literally it's about 1 kilometer stretch from that station to the boarding point. We were running like crazy just to catch the flight because we didn't have any other option. It was a lesson learned that day. During my flight back to Chennai, I had this sense of relief. Yes, now I am ready to face my challenges. One of the most inspiring aspects of returning home is the opportunity to view your life with fresh eyes. Traveling can provide a new perspective on your own life and values. And returning home can allow you to see the world around you with greater clarity. You may realize that the things you took for granted before your travel are actually the most important to you, or that you want to make changes to align your life more closely with your values. So, embrace every opportunity to make forward with greater clarity and purpose, and let your travel continue to inspire and guide you on your journey.
Finally touchdown to India.
Back to Chennai. It was really wonderful trip. Hopefully,
Crazy trip.
Yeah, and last day was amazing. Amazing.
But the experience was crazy stuff.
Yeah.
Cheri, okay, Meshi.
Okay, see you. Bye. And many more to come. Let's see. Hopefully.
Cheri, okay, mama.
Cheers,
Bye,
man.
bye.
Take care now.
See you. Okay, paathu po.
What an experience it was. Truly remarkable. Hoping to travel soon and show you guys more. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. It's the same drill again and again. Like, share, comment and subscribe. I will link down the playlist of my Singapore videos. Watch all the videos and do support. See you guys in another one. Cheers.